Imagine the tantalizing taste of Achari Kabab Masala, a culinary delight that bursts with flavors as diverse as the Indian subcontinent itself. Picture succulent pieces of meat marinated in a symphony of aromatic spices, then cooked to perfection. The result is a dish that's spicy, tangy, and utterly irresistible. This journey of flavors begins with the marination. Succulent pieces of chicken are bathed in a concoction of creamy yogurt, a touch of lemon juice for that tang, and a medley of spices including cumin, coriander, and turmeric. The real star, however, is the Achari Masala, a blend of pickling spices that give the kebab its signature taste. This marinade isn't just a coating, it's a flavor infusion that permeates every fiber of the chicken. The marinated chicken then embarks on its next flavor adventure, the grilling. A hot grill is all it takes to transform the marinated chicken into kebabs. The heat sears the outside, locking in the flavors and juices, while the inside remains tender and juicy. The smoky aroma wafting from the grill is a sensory promise of the feast to come. After grilling, the kebabs take a detour to a pan filled with a simmering masala gravy. This is where the Achari Kabab Masala gets its second layer of flavor. The gravy, made from onions, tomatoes, ginger, garlic, and a sprinkle of garam masala, envelopes the kebabs, adding a depth of flavor that is both complex and comforting. Finally, a sprinkle of fresh coriander leaves and a squeeze of lemon juice is all it takes to finish this culinary masterpiece. The result is a dish that dances on the palate, a perfect balance of spicy, tangy, and smoky flavors. In summary, the Achari Kabab Masala is a journey of flavors, from the first step of marinating the chicken in a blend of yogurt and spices to grilling it to perfection, then simmering it in a rich masala gravy. Finished with a sprinkle of fresh coriander and a squeeze of lemon, it's a dish that's as enjoyable to make as it is to eat. So embark on this culinary adventure and discover the magic of Achari Kabab Masala, a dish that's not just food but an experience. A dish that takes you on a journey through the diverse flavors of the Indian subcontinent, one bite at a time. A dish that's more than a meal, it's a celebration of taste and tradition.